Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you? I hope you will be good and safe and healthy at home. Welcome to your English class. Open your OPE book page number 21. Here we are with unit 4 lesson 2 words. Dear students, in this lesson we will study about those words that are from Urdu and that are the same in English also. Okay, just like that in Urdu, in our daily life we use English words. Just for example, glass, table, cup, we always use these words. So there are certain words that are from Urdu but in English that are same. Now in this exercise number 1 we will learn their meaning, exact meaning. Okay, in exercise number 1 many words have come into English from other languages including Urdu. Most of these are words that you already know. Match the words to their meaning. Now in this column there are the words and in this column there is the meaning of these words. Okay, number 1 is bungalow. You must know about bungalow. Now bungalow is matching to a house on one level. Number 2 is chutney. Chutney is matching to a spicy sauce made from fruit or vegetables. Do you like chutney? I like chutney very much. Mango chutney is my favorite. Okay, what is your favorite chutney? I know some children don't like chutney, but chutney is very yummy and chutney is very tasty. You should eat chutney. Number 3 is shampoo, a liquid that you use to wash your hair. Shampoo in English it's shampoo and in Urdu it's also shampoo. Now match the shampoo with this meaning, a liquid that you use to wash your hair. Number 4 is jungle. In English it's jungle and Urdu it's also jungle. Jungle, a thick forest in a hot wet country. Match the jungle with this meaning. And number 5 is khaki, a green brown or yellow brown color. Match the word khaki with this meaning. This is the khaki color. Can you see it's yellow brown color? At some time it's green brown. This is yellow brown khaki color. Okay. And number 6 is punch, a drink made from 5 different fruit juices. Punch is mixture of juices, different fruit juices. So match the punch with this meaning, a drink made from 5 different juices. Mixture of 5 different fruit juices is called punch. Okay. Number 7 is veranda, a platform at the side of a house with roof and floor but no walls. Mostly at the entrance of the house there is roof on the pillars. It's called veranda. So veranda is a corridor also. I think you must have veranda in your house. Number 8, pajama, a loose jacket and trouser that you wear in bed. So you all must know about pajama. In English it's also pajama. Now come to the exercise number 2. Complete the sentences with words from exercise number 1. Now here are 8 words. Now we will complete this exercise by using these words. First you have to match these words with their meaning. Okay, I hope you have completed exercise number 1 very carefully. Exercise number 2, we will use these words to complete these sentences. First we will read the sentences. One evening Rudyard Kipling was staying in the jungle. For example, here is written jungle. Jungle is from this exercise. He was sitting at a table on the V4. Now guess what is the word here? Veranda. I have written it veranda. Outside his B4. What is the word here? Guess. Outside his B4 bungalow. Eating a dish of lamb curry and mango. Mango, C4. What is the word here? Guess. Here is the word that I told you. It's my favorite. Yes, mango chutney. Right here, chutney. And drinking a glass of P4. What is the P here? P for punch. Right? Punch. So look at this picture. Here is a glass of punch, and he is eating a mango chutney, and he is sitting in the veranda. He is Mr. Rudyard Kipling. So he was wearing all K. What is K for? Khaki. Can you see here? Khaki. He is wearing khaki trousers, sandals and a shirt. Sandals and a shirt. Right here, khaki. Now come to the exercise number 3. Copy and complete Sarah's letter to Sandra. Here is a letter. Sarah is saying that she is sitting in the veranda and wearing pajama and drinking a glass of punch, and there is nobody outside. My sister has gone to shampoo her hair. My grandparents' bungalow is on the edge of jungle, so lots of wild animals walk around the house at night. Now you have to write the above words in this letter. Do you know what is letter? Letter is a message conveyed in written form. Letter can be formal and informal. This is an informal letter. We write informal letter to our dear ones and family members and friends. Formal letter is written for office and business purpose. So dear students, complete the exercise 1, 2 and 3 and also memorize these exercise and practice these exercise. And exercise number 4 is plurals with ending with OS and OES. Here are the plural words in the boxes that are ending with OES. Okay? Buffaloes, echoes, heroes, mangoes, photos, pianos, potatoes, radios, tomatoes, volcanoes. So in first line you will write the plural that are ending with OS, and in second line you will write the plural that are ending with OES. Okay? For example, photos is ending with OES. Dear students, there are also some plurals that ends with ES. Okay? So those singular words that have ending letter is CH or SH, their plural will be with ES. For example, there is the singular bench. Plural is benches. Bench is ending with CH. Now the plural will be benches. CHES. Now you have to write the plural of these words: punch, bunch, catch, which, dish, wish. Write down the plurals of these words.